In this video, I'll show you how to clean your Baby Brezza bottle sterilizer so that the heating element that is right over there, right now it's very disgusting, is totally clean. Okay, so how do you remove this? Very easy, let me show you. First step, we want to remove the big chunks, so take a paper towel and pour some water on it, like this. Not too much. And then you'll come over here and wipe the metal element and what's around it to remove the bigger residue. So go all the way around. Maybe you will need 2 paper towels if you didn't clean it for a long time. I have speed up this part of the video since all I'm doing is the same thing. With the wet towel, I'm cleaning everything and removing the big chunks. So this is how it should look after that. And now I'll show you how to remove everything that is stuck on the heating element. For the next step, you'll need some white vinegar. You probably already have this in your kitchen. So what I will do is simply pour this vinegar till this point over here. You don't want it to go in that hole. Perfect, this is enough. Next step, you need to let this sit the way it is, do not touch anything during half an hour. We are now 30 minutes later, and we can see definitely a big difference. All the particles that were stuck on the heating elements are now dislodged. Take a paper towel or a rag, anything, and we'll need to absorb this vinegar, because we absolutely do not want to start the machine with some vinegar on that heating element. I already did this error and the whole house was smelling like vinegar. So take the paper towel, maybe take multiple ones and remove everything from there. At the end, simply wipe everything one last time and here you go. Look how clean it looks. Everything is gone. Now, depending how many times you use the machine, you may have to do this weekly or bi-weekly. Before using the sterilizer, I recommend you do a batch without any kind of bottles inside. Simply pour some water and start the machine. Do a full cycle, and then you'll be able to use it. This way you just want to make sure there's no vinegar in there. So I have put this, put back the plastic lid, and start the machine the same way you're doing usually for a full cycle. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.